Here I've got Neffos C5 Plus, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open list of all applications. Then find and select the settings. Here you should go to display. And then select wallpaper. And now it's time to select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from, so it can be your gallery, one from themes or system wallpapers, and the default option is the one that I want to get. So it's time to select the wallpaper from system wallpapers. Okay, so we've got just this one. We can also open themes. And let me pick some from the following themes. Maybe this one. And click on apply. Finally, decide if you want this picture to cover just your home screen, your lock screen, or maybe both of them, and I will pick the third option, both. And from now on, your home screen and also lock screen are covered with this brand new wallpaper. So that would be all. This is how you can change wallpaper and lock screen in your Neffos C5 Plus. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.